In today's rapidly evolving industrial landscape, Greenco is not just keeping up, we're leading the way. Innovation intertwines automation. Speed matches precision. With every technological revolution, we are redefining the future of the industry with energy. On the automated production line, intelligent devices collaborate seamlessly, completing every process flawlessly, enhancing productivity, taking efficiency to unprecedented levels. By using unmanned operating system, minimize human intervention, we produce faster, better, and smarter. Greenco strives for excellence, building its corporate image with high-quality products. Driven by technological innovation, leading intelligent manufacturing, revolutionizing industry standards, setting a new benchmark for global industry. From casting, surface de-stressing, precision machining, and assembly, to automatic spraying, production stages connect seamlessly. Supported by advanced technology and equipment, automation and integration are highly reflected. Intelligent warehousing equipment elevates logistics efficiency to a new height, ensuring that every process operates efficiently. High-performance processing equipment and high-precision testing equipment ensure the stability and consistency of every product. Harnessing robust, independent research and development capabilities, creating a modern superfactory. At Greenco, innovation is not just a slogan, but a call to action. Behind every innovation is our team, united by a shared goal: to push the boundaries of manufacturing. Greenco has obtained multiple authoritative certifications, including ISO 900, UL, CE, and ROSE, along with several invention and utility model patents. For us, it's not just about making products. It's about creating a brighter future for the industry and beyond. Behind intelligent manufacturing, we believe progress should not come at the expense of the planet. Our products play a key role in wastewater treatment, gas purification, and various other fields, showcasing the limitless potential of integrating intelligence with sustainability and setting a new benchmark for green industrial development. From Asia to Europe to the Americas, Greenco's footprint continues to grow. With exceptional product quality and leading manufacturing capabilities, we have earned our place as a key player on the global stage. Moving forward, Greenco will expand its territory continuously, driving a new pattern of global industry with an innovative spirit, writing a new chapter of our own era.